So now today's sessions we are going to talk about which are the important system tables in Sybase ASE. Okay, so why we required the system table backup with us. So or also we can say like how to take a system level backup in the Sybase ASE. Okay, so there is a utility called BCP. Okay, so first we will understand which are the system tables which are very important while we required when we need to rebuild the entire server in case of failure. Okay, so yes, so you can with the help of these system table backup, you can easily restore your server back to the normal or as is what we have prior to the failure. Okay, so what is the first table? The is a sys usages. Okay, this is the first table. System database, that is sys databases, sys devices, sys login roles, and sys logins. So these are the important master system tables which we need to be taken backup periodically. You can you can write in the automation where it will take the BCP out of the for this table maybe weekly once. Okay, and can store it into the somewhere where it is easily available whenever there is a disaster happen. Okay, so yes, so these are the important tables, and then how we can take the BCP out. So this is a syntax for BCP command. So it's a right, BCP, it's a utility. Okay, so with the help of this utility we can take the system table level backup. Okay, although you can use this BCP utility to BCP out for the user tables as well. Okay, so BCP master dot sys usages. Why I'm writing this? Because this is the standard way of writing, so you will be easily able to understand from which database and which table we are going to take the BCP out. Okay, so the syntax is very simple. BCP DB name table name. Okay, DB name dot table name out, and the location of a file where you want to store. So again, like let's say in my case it's a dev.dumdb / master dot sys usages, the same name what we have used but with the extension of .bcp file. Okay, then we will pass the -u. Okay, with the help of which user we are going to take out. Usually it's a ASE only. Then the server name, so in this case let's consider our production server name is prod ASE01. Okay, -c is a character set and -t is a delimiter. So all the column of the information will be delimited with the help of pipe operator. Okay, so this is the general syntax for to perform the BCP out for the system tables. So similarly you can write the syntax for rest of the tables as well. So just let me take the copy and just replace with the respective table name. So in this case it's the sys databases. Okay, so it will store all the database information here. Okay, so I'm just replacing it, and we have a backup BCP backup at the table level for sys databases. Similarly we have a sys devices. Okay, so again, like while creating the database we need to initialize the devices. Okay, so on the top of which we can create the database with respect to data and log. Just let me replace it. Okay, then we have a sys login roles. Okay, so all the logins I already covered what are the system roles, default role in Sybase ASE. Okay, please go through the video series, so you will understand what are the default role or system roles are there in the Sybase ASE. Okay, so we'll have a backup as well. Syslogins. Okay, so we have a login details as well, which logins we have created and their SUID. Okay, their full name, their password, their status, everything we can get to know from this table. Okay, so this is how my BCP file would will be look like. Okay, any questions you can just mark in the comment so that I can create the content around it. Okay, and just don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, thank you.